The first criminal trial of a former U.S. president is slated for next month. Donald Trump will start the first of his 4 criminal trials on April 15th. This case alleges the former president used hush money payments to hide an affair. Fox's Kaylee Schuyler joins us from New York now with more. And Kaylee, a judge just issued a gag order this afternoon against the former president.
Christine, the gag order prohibits Trump from making public statements about some people involved in the trial. The prosecutors asked for the gag order to be issued because they say Trump has a long history of making inflammatory remarks about people involved in his legal cases. In this hush money case, prosecutors allege Trump attempted to cover up payments to adult film star Stormy Daniels, arguing voters never had the chance to assess Trump's candidacy for president fully. The trial was originally supposed to start this week, but it was pushed back after documents were recently turned over by federal prosecutors. Trump's legal team argued thousands of documents were wrongfully withheld, but the judge ultimately decided that wasn't the case and set the new trial date for April 15th. Trump says this trial is election interference.
This is a case that could have been brought 3.5 years ago, and now they're fighting over days because they want to try and do it during the election. This is election interference. That's all it is. Election interference. And it's a disgrace. We'll obviously be appealing.
The Biden campaign took a shot at their 2024 general election rival, saying in part, quote, Donald Trump is weak and desperate, both as a man and a candidate for president. He spent the weekend golfing, the morning comparing himself to Jesus, and the afternoon lying about having money he definitely doesn't have, end quote. The next few weeks will be busy for Trump here in New York. On top of the hush money case, Trump has until April 4th to pay a $175 million bond to secure a civil fraud judgment. Yesterday, the New York State Appellate Division slashed his bonds by over 60% and extended his deadline to pay up. This was a legal win for the former president because he risked the state coming after his bank account and real estate assets. Now, Trump says he can quickly pay the $175 million bond in cash. In New York, Kaylee Schuyler, Fox 5 News.
Kaylee, thanks so much.